Well, we already done modeling 2D of this circle, those point, adding those pointers, lines, circle lines, and we done the generation of random 2D mesh. So here we can do something. Here, if you look at the mesh look so fine. We can make it coarser. If we go, first of all, let's reload the script. So when we reload the script, the mesh will be removed. Let's go to Tools, Options, Mesh, General. Here, Element Size Factor. We'll make this 20. Oh, let's make it 10. 10. Now we are going to generate 2D. So here we see the mesh became coarser. Okay, let me reload script it. Okay. So right now I would like to play a little bit around the generation of mesh. So, okay, I don't need those element changes anymore. I'm going to close it. I don't need geometry, I close it. What I need is mesh. From mesh, I'm going to define, going to transfinite. I'm going to select curve. Okay. What are we going to do here? I'm going to choose any curve in the model I would like, and I will be giving how many number of nodes I want to appear on those selected curves. Okay, for example, I would like to have 10 nodes on all sides, on all edges, lines available in my model. So I would be selecting all my lines, okay, all the edges, this one, this one, this one, this one, this, this, the inner ones also. Let's say I would like to give 20, okay? 20 nodes, okay. Okay, I have to press E here because I'm done selecting those entities. E. Okay, Q. I would be generating. So if we see on each edge we have 20 nodes. Let's count 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me zoom a little bit and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10. That's how we got 20 nodes on each edge. I would be removing this generation of mesh. Where was, okay, I think it was here. Reload script. Okay, right now I will do something else. I'm going to curve. Okay, I already gave a specific number of nodes on each edge. I would have to choose surface. I'll be using this and this. Okay, E. I have selected E. Then I'll be choosing this one. Okay, for now I'm just choosing these ones. Okay, I just specified these two surfaces. Let's press on 2D. So what we see, these two surfaces, somehow they got much more structured mesh compared to the other two unselected surface feature portion. Okay, so let me reload script again and let me go to surface. I'll choose the other two surfaces as well. Okay, press E, select this one and press E again. Close this, Q to abort and press 2D. So you see all of them are structured mesh, but it's not still structured because there are still triangulated elements. I would like to get rid of the reload script. What I will do, define transfinite. Okay, I will go to recombine. Select surfaces. I'm going to select all those surfaces. Okay, because I want their 2D mesh to be structured very well, very appropriately. Press E, press Q. Then let's go to 2D. So that's it. That's the structured mesh. We see it's a very beautiful mesh. It's structured. Structured mesh is they are square meshes or rectangular meshes. The idea is we have to make sure that our mesh, our elements have four edges as it's shown and displayed here in this fancy mesh we have created using this amazing tool Gmsh. So that's it.